magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Maganda ang performance ng Ganda Papaya.
Hindi po ba magandang education yan?
Kung maganda ang takbo ng kumpanyang to, bakit kailangan nila ibenta?
I have talked with some members of the board, Romaldo. The only best thing to do now, umiwalay ka muna sa legacy, pansamantala.
Tell me, Diana, what kind of person is he?
He rarely shows compassion to a lot of people, but when you get to know him, he's really a wonderful person.
Pag kinausap ni Lolo ang board, tapos na yon. Bibili na natin ng Gandang Papaya dahil makikinig sila kay Lolo.
2 thumbs up. Ganda Papaya will be ours!
Terry Makazi, Nico.
Magte-thank you ka sa akin. Ako nga daw mag-thank you sa'yo, sumama ka sa Bali.
Aminin ko sa'yo nung umpisa, medyo natatakot ako pumunta dito dahil iniisip ko baka ayan ka na naman, baka mananching ka na naman.
Mananaching.
Pero hindi mo naman ginawa kaya okay lang.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin mag-gets kung bakit nagkagusto ko sa'yo eh.
Nagagalit lang naman ako dahil kailangan na sa tama.
Kaya pala.
Kaya rin pala, no?
Kaya pala kita nagustuhan. Kasi kahit yung mga kapintasan mo, kaibig-ibig pa rin eh.
Did you get hurt?
No, I'm okay, sir. Okay lang ako,
I'm
sir.
sorry, Diana.
I go to cabin already.
I'm sorry, okay. I was right.
You're right about
You do like her, do you?
You know what, Mr. Vijanti, it actually doesn't matter if I like her or not because she definitely does not like me.
Maybe she's scared to get hurt. So don't give up easily. What you should do promise Diana that you would never do anything to make her cry. That you will never hurt her.
Tara, Makashi.
There you go.
Okay. Congratulations, Mr. Alcantara. You are now the proud owner of Ganda Papaya Soup.
It's a pleasure doing business with you, Mrs. Marsan.
The pleasure is mine, sir.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Marzan, but where are
Oo nga naman. We just signed a $215 million deal. Bakit wala sila rito on this very special occasion?
Well,
Oh, wow! Announcing the arrival of the late Lala Salcedo. Naku, pasensya na. Sarado na yung tindahan. Nagkapirmahan na po kami.
Are you telling me na na-finalize na ang sale ng kumpanya sa Legacy?
that's right, Lala. It's now ours. Kaya bilang na ang maligayang araw ng SGC. Dahil pag-aari na namin ang Ganda Papaya. Well, that's how the cookie crumbles.
Something new.
Oo, sobrang sarap.
Hi,
Mr. Vijanti.
how are you?
Thank you so much for your kindness, sir.
It was an honor to have a guest like you. Please come back soon.
Definitely, we really had a great time. You were a fantastic host. And,
Terry Makazi? Terry Makazi.
Terry Makazi, yes.
Kambali. Sama-sama. You're welcome.
Okay.
Have a good
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. It's funny. Yun, no, ngumiti rin. Galing.
Hindi naman, sa'yo lang. Hindi, masaya lang ako dahil dami na yung desisyon ko sumama sa'yo. Nag-bonding tayo. Tapos, pagbalik natin sa Manila, friends na tayo.
No naman. Sana naman, pagkatapos ito, I think after this we'll be better friends. Diba? Photos. So, wait, I have to take this. Excuse me. Hello?
Oh! Ano pa tinatayo-tayo nyo dyan? Hindi nyo ba narinig? Nabili na namin ang Gandang Papaya. Pwede na kayong magsiuwi. Unless gusto nyo magstay dito at i-congratulate kami, pwede rin naman. Congratulations to us.
Actually, that's what I intend to do. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I have to give it to you, Lala. You take your loss in stride. I'll drink to that.
Who said I lost Romualdo? I certainly didn't. In fact, I just got 250 million pesos richer.
What do you mean?
Ma'am, Gandang Papaya is actually a member of the Salcedo Group of Companies. You just bought the company from Mrs. Lala Salcedo.
Tell us it's not true.
I'm sorry, Mr. Alcantara, but Mrs. Salcedo is indeed telling the truth.
Hindi totoo yan. Wala naman kahit anong record na nagsasabi na may connection ng Salcedo sa Gandang Papaya, di ba?
Altering the records was quite easy. It just took us a matter of days to remove the Salcedo name from all the company records. But finding the right pawn to feed the wrong information to Legacy was the more difficult part. I initially thought of using Diana. But after I discovered na nakikita pa si Bernadette at si Gary, I took it as an opportunity to shoot two birds with one stone.
Ibig mo sabihin, alam mo na dati pa? Ginamit mo pa ako sa mga plano mo?
Pasalamat kaya lang ginawa ko sa'yong hayop ka.
Mr. Ariasa, you have to do something. Nullify the contract of sale.
I'm sorry, Mr. Alcantara, but I don't think your lawyer can help you in this one. Malinis ang kontrata namin. You can review it, attorney. It doesn't make any references to the owner, so you can't cite us for misrepresentation.
And the surprise doesn't end there. Alam niyo ba ang real worth ng kumpanyang binili niyo? Wala. Dahil matagal nang lugi ang Ganda Papaya. As a matter of fact, baon to sa utang. Kaya as new owners of the company, it is your responsibility na bayaran ang lahat ng ito.
You can't do this to us. Niloko mo kami. Idedemanda ka namin ng insider trading and fraudulent machinations.
Okay. Go ahead and sue me. That is, if you still have enough money to see me in court. With the huge amount of money you lost today, I don't think makakabangon pa ang Legacy. So guys, remember this day because this is the day I destroyed your precious legacy. Let's go, guys.
See what you've done? Hindi ka kasi nakikinig.
Hayop ka. Masyado ka kasi papiba. Tanga ka naman. Stupid ah! Stupid! 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 What have you done? Papa!
No!
My God! Papa!
No!